Welcome back, 18!
What was supposed to be a short set turned into a legendary moment. At the KIC event, Josh revealed SB19 only prepared 2 songs, but 18 had other plans. As chants of Isa Pa filled the venue, the boys couldn't resist. In true SB19 fashion, they pulled off an impromptu performance of Cream Zone, unrehearsed yet flawless. The crowd went wild, proving once again that SB19's professionalism and passion make them unstoppable. Even unprepared, they deliver like the kings they are.
Thankful. It's such a wonderful opportunity. Nako, patay tayo dyan. Just so you know, dalawa lang po ang prepared namin. Gusto nyo pa ba?
Gusto niyo pa ba?
You guys are gonna get us tired, huh?
Pero we just have one request. One request. Pag mag-iisa pa kami, pwede bang sumayaw ang lahat?
Well,
Pero, but, no pushing. Wala pang magtutulakan. We want everyone to enjoy the moment, especially people on the second floor, third, fourth, fifth. Wala pang magtutulakan, okay? 18, is that
Yes.
okay?
everyone's okay to dance and enjoy as long as no one gets hurt, okay? Safety first, okay? Pero we want your energy to go up, okay? Okay, let's try. Do you want more? Mahina pa, yung pinakamalakas. Gusto niyo pa ba ng isa? Lahat kakanta. Lahat sisigaw. You're not just gonna stare there and do nothing and put your phones up. You all are gonna enjoy, okay? Let's do it one more time. Let's get it.
Let's go!